Let me introduce how to initialize WordPress database, and return to initial WordPress state. This is a way to reset WordPress in less time than to reinstall WordPress. It works in 2 steps. Firstly, delete all WordPress database tables. Secondly, connect to FTP and delete some installed themes, all plugins, and all uploaded files. Let me show you my website's current state. There are many posts, pages and some images are uploaded in the media library. There are a few themes and plugins installed. Go to the plugin menu. Click Add New button and search for WP Database. Install and activate the WP Database Reset plugin. Click the Reset Database link. When a pop-up window appears, click the link at the bottom. In Section 2, click on Select All Tables. Uncheck the box below. Go to Section 3 and enter the security code. It is case sensitive. Please enter in capital letters. Press the Reset Tables button. After reset, log in as admin. All data in the database is deleted except admin account. Let's look around. It has been neatly deleted. But, there are still themes and plugins left. This is because the installed files were not deleted yet. You must remember which theme is currently active, because the current theme must never be deleted. Connect your website with FTP. Go to the Plugins directory under WP Contents. Delete everything except the index.php file. Go to the Themes directory. You can delete all themes except current theme. In my case, I don't default WordPress 20 series theme. You can delete all themes except the currently active theme. Go to the WP Contents folder. Delete all folders except plugins, themes, and upload folders. But it's optional, you may want to keep some folders. Go to the Upload folder and delete all files and directories. All plugins and some themes have been removed. We installs many plugins in WordPress. In general, when we activate a plugin, it creates some database tables. Plugins modify WordPress native database as well. If you installed and deleted multiple plugins, the chances of having problems increase. This is because in some cases, when plugins are deleted, the tables and data still remains. So I recommend you to install the minimum number of plugins you need. I don't believe that when all plugins are deleted, they completely delete their data. After you have decided which plugins to use, it is recommended to start by cleaning all databases this way.